Good day, everyone. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Princess de la Torre, and we're going to talk about importance of knowledge. So it has five. First, we have memory and recall. So memory and recall, it organizes knowledge. It helps us to remember information faster and more accurately. So when we say memory and recall, these are closely connected to how well our knowledge is organized in our mind. When information is arranged in a clear and meaningful way, it becomes easier for us to remember it quickly and accurately. This is because our brain works like a library, no? So if the information is organized into properly section or categorized, we can easily find what we need. So for example of this is when we're studying about psychology. So a student who groups their notes into a categories such as yung theories, psychologies, and a type of behavior, it will have an easier time to reading information during an exam than someone who memorizes facts randomly. So organized knowledge, it helps our brain to make connection between ideas. So it allows us to store and to retrieve in the information more efficiently. In short, the better we organize that we learn, the stronger our memory and recall become. Next, learning efficiency. So knowledge become more meaningful when new lessons are connected to what we already know. So it is refers to how effectively we understand and remember new information. Knowledge becomes more meaningful and it easier to us to learn when we connect a new lesson to what we already know. So ito yung process na ito to help our brain to build link between old at saka new ideas, making it more easier to understand and recall it later. So for example of this, if a student already know or they already understand the concept of the photosynthesis from the science class, so it becomes easier for them to learn about how plants produce oxygen since it connects to what they already know. Next, we have problem solving and decision making. So, an organized mind, it allows us to apply old knowledge to new problems and make better decisions. So, it means by using what we know to handle the new situation, when our knowledge is well organized, our mind can easily connect yung past experience at saka new lesson to current problem. So, it helps us to think more clearly and choose better solution. So, one of the example is this, if yung studente na yun has learned different ways to manage time during business weeks, they can use that knowledge again when facing new school project and deadline. So, an organized mind, it allows us to see pattern, compare option, and make new thoughtful decision instead of guessing. So, in short, the more we organize our knowledge, is the better we become in solving problems and making wise decisions. Next, guiding everyday behavior. So schema and scripts guide us in everyday situation and help us to know what to do. So it means that our action and decision in daily life are influenced by the mental framework we already have. It is called schema and scripts. So ang schema is a general knowledge we have about how things usually work, while yung scripts naman is like a mental plan or yung routine yun for a specific situation. Ang example nito is when you enter sa restaurant, your restaurant scripts tells you to find a seat and look at the menu to order a food to eat and then pay. Because of this mental guides, we can more through everyday situations smoothly and confidently. And lastly, we have creativity and critical thinking. A well-organized mind connects ideas in new ways, make us more creative and critical thinkers. So it happens when our mind is organized, it can connect different ideas easily. So when what we know is well arranged, we can see the patterns, combine old ideas in new ways, and think of unique solution to problems. So this helps us to become more creative because we can come up with the original ideas and more critical Because of this, we can analyze situation carefully. Before we end this topic, let's all remember that organizing knowledge in the mind is essential because it helps us remember and retrieve information more easily. It improves learning by allowing new ideas to connect what we already know. A well-organized mental system is also to support better problem solving and decision making it by helping us apply previous experience to new situations. In daily life, schemas and scripts guide our actions. We know how to behave in common scenario. And finally, organized knowledge. It encourages creativity and critical thinking by allowing us to combine and explore ideas in new ways. And that's all. Thank you for listening.